Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm here to plan my classic happy planner for the real last week of March, because last week I said it was the last week of March, but these pages apparently just like to stick together. So, the beginning of April. This week I just am going to decorate the border. So it should be fairly fast. We're going to use these clear stickers that are in Modern Farmhouse. I have a couple of them left. And then there are some more in Florals. And Florals also has like some to-do stickers and stuff. So we're going to use those two. Let's go. We're going to do something weird today and put our habit tracker up there. Because I'm going to decorate around the edges. And it gives me a little bit more room to decorate, and I don't have to fill in these boxes. So, hopefully, it looks okay. I want a page like this in black. I feel like there should be one. Why is there not one? That's like, let's look in the other one. What is the other one? Functional? That's what it is. Let's see if we have one. Okay, I think I'm gonna leave it at that. So used Florals and Functional and Modern Farmhouse, and use up another page of Modern Farmhouse. So we're down to like 5. Oh, I guess we got more pages than I thought. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 13 pages, so a little bit more than half. But a lot of those pages have like one sticker on them, so it won't be long. Yeah, so if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button and the little notification bell to be notified when I put out new videos. Thanks. Bye.